guys, you must be hearing that for IELTS, you must converse in English well. For that, you should have command over the language. But what you don't know is that if you don't know English language, how can you converse in the language regularly? For that, you have to go step by step. Firstly, try hearing that language. Try to listen to audios or videos that are in that particular language, and then start speaking it in short conversations. And then the third level would be that you will be able to converse in the language regularly. So that is the approach you need to take. So hi guys, I'm Akriti Bhalla and I'm IELTS consultant, and in this video I'm going to cover two amazing applications that you must install through Play Store, which are Cake and English Conversation. These applications make English learning fun and you can retain that content for a longer period of time because it is backed up by visuals and videos. So without any delay, let's get started and cover the first application, Cake. So guys, the first tab that you can see on the screen is of the Cake application, and here you get a lot many videos from various movies. These movies you must have watched, or if not, they're interesting clips from those movies. Now they cover topics from different areas. For example, a conversation with a grandmother, a conversation with an animal, how to treat two friends. So there are various topics and you can just click on that short clip. It varies from 1 minute to say 5 minutes, and just listen to the video. So your first task is keep listening. The more you listen, the more you will be able to understand the language. Then if I go to the second tab that has various classes, if you see those bi-weekly classes, here for example, I click on expressions 1. Now you will see that it has a list of expressions, statements that you can use to express an emotion. For example, joy. So you will have a backup of videos or GIFs along with the sentences that you can use to express your joy. Similarly, there are various other classes pertaining to, say, how to have a short conversation, how to express so and so talk or so and so concern. So try to hear to that, because that is something you do in day-to-day life. Express your emotion, you talk to your boss, you talk to your office colleagues, to your friends, what kind of conversations you need to have and how to structure the statements. That's really important. And the third tab will help you in learning vocabulary and idioms. So guys, scientifically it is actually said the more you see something, the more your brain will retain it. It is even powerful than just listening to a simple audio. That is why this application is really helpful to different kinds of audiences, because it helps them to retain the content. The more you will see, the more you will be able to retain those statements and you will be able to use it in your day-to-day lives. If this app is really helpful to you guys, it's not a paid promotion first of all, and if it helps you, you have any queries, drop a comment in the comment of this video. Let's proceed to the second application now. English Conversation. Now I highly recommend this app because it's too good for the beginners, especially those who have just started IELTS or who are weak in the language. Please guys, have a look at this application, because the benefit of this app is it gives you idea on how to structure the statements, what content to use when a certain topics come to you. And thirdly, it will help to improve your vocabulary and tenses, the basic English grammar. So if you read the content, it has given in a conversation format. You read it one after another, and then you can also record it in your own words. You can even practice it with one of your friends or siblings. So topics are like from work-life balance to nature to natural disasters. This app is not content heavy. You have just basic modules, and that too very easily you will be able to navigate. So you can give a try to it. You need not even pursue it daily on a daily basis. Rather, you can just pick it up once in a week, have a look at the conversation of one topic, retain it and try to practice it. It will improve your English reading, because here you are reading the sentences, your speaking, which is very important in IELTS. So guys, this is all for this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel And do make a comment or do make a query if required at askakriti10@gmail.com.